tell, I'm down at the beach and just wandering along. There's the first find of any significance, and it's a well-worn stopper. Just got a dot pattern, concentric dots pattern on the top. I'm just wandering up there to where the beach is a bit clearer. It's very, very rocky here, so there's not a lot to detect. The tide's on its way out. It's about an hour left, and it's a bit windy today. So that's your weather report, really. All right, well, let me work my way up, and we'll get set up, and we'll get cracking. Well, find number one. It's just there. Look, a bit of chain. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's a bit of chain. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think it's gold. Well, it's not gold chain anyway, because gold doesn't discolour like that. So, yeah, well, we'll take it with us and we'll get rid. It was a nice signal, but we'll get rid of it. No gold today. Well, not yet anyway. And, well, we're getting next to nothing today, to be perfectly honest with you, at the moment. But there's a homemade lead weight. Yeah. Put that in my pocket. And I shall I'll grab that, because it's still got the fishing line on it. There we go. Let's take you over here. Oh. Yeah, big hefty lump of lead, that. Piece of fishing line tied around it. Doesn't come more basic. Well, I suppose if you're desperate to fish, then you make do with whatever you've got, or whatever you can find, eh? Alright, well, on we go. Well, there's the next find. It's out of that hole there. It's just sitting there, and I think this is going to be what we'll call a relic. So I think this is a dress weight. Yep, I think that's exactly what that's been. It could just be a scrap of lead, but usually when they're cut round like this, then it usually denotes that it's been made for a purpose. Oh, there's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides to that. I can't see anything on it, which is a shame, but yeah, I think that's more than likely a dress weight, to be perfectly honest with you. We'll take it, and we'll have a closer scrutiny at home, but yeah, there you go. Whoo, it's windy today. Oh, there's the next find, and again, it's another hefty lump of lead. A right old lump is that, as we say. Anyway, we shall take it and get rid. Into the scrap bucket it goes. Home. Convert scrap into cash. Excellent. On we go. Now, I don't know. Hole there. And this is the signal. And I don't know whether this is a fishing weight or some sort of musket ball. And I suspect it's... let's have a look. Yeah, there is no mark or indentation where any fishing line would have been. Yeah, there is nothing there. And I think that's been a musket ball, to be honest with you. It's hit a target, but not particularly hard, because one flat surface there, which I think is where it's hit the target. So I could be wrong, and I'm willing to be corrected if there's somebody out there that can tell me exactly what that is or was. It does have slightly flat sides around here, so I don't know. I'm going to leave that up to you experts. We'll have a look at when we get home. Okay, let's carry on. Well, there's the hole, and there's the thing. So let's go see. This looks like a teardrop shape, doesn't it? See that? Let's see if we can rinse this off, see what it says. Yeah. Well, it's certainly very thin. I think that's been a spoon bowl at some stage, you know. Yeah. What do you reckon? Comment down below, but I think that's a spoon bowl. Would have gone that way, handle here. Alright, well, we'll take it with us. Oh, there's an interesting little find. And that is an old caster wheel from a piece of old furniture. Nice thing, ceramic, as they were made. So I'm going to hang on to that. I'm going to give that a rinse. But I just spotted looks like part of a ginger beer bottle just there. Could be part of something else, of course. But oh no, it's part of a jar. Is that? So it's part of one of the a jam jar from the sort of 1910s, 20s. Around about that period, they were using those for jam or preserves. So yeah, I'll hang on to the caster wheel because I think I've got a nice little display of ceramic type things. So yeah, I'll keep hold of that. And this could be lead, or it could be nothing, or it could be a bit of... It's a big lump of lead is what it is. Oh jeez, Louise, look at that. Big lump of lead pipe. Lord, oh Lord. Okay, well, we'll take it because it goes in the scrap. Hefty knuckle dust that. Jeez. Some weight behind you. Well, it took some getting, but I'm sure it's just another lead ring. Some discreet, yeah, just a scrap lead ring. Yep. Quite possibly a fishing weight. Homemade. Or just a bit of scrap pipe. Yeah, well. Right, I'm on my way home now, so. Oh, we've got a coin. There's the scrape. There's the coin. What's the betting? It's a 2p. Ha 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 ha. It's a well-worn coin. Ha ha. Dee dee dee. We probably won't be able to tell until we get home, but I suspect it's a 2p. Super worn. Yeah, well. You can always dream, eh? We'll have a look at home. Possibly. A big penny. Yep, definitely a big penny. Yeah. Again, super worn as they always are on this beach of mine. Anyway, we'll take it. On we go, on the way home now. One big penny. Well, excuse my froggy throat, as you can see, we're on the way home now. That's the lot for that hunt. We shall have a nosy and see what we've got. Anything exciting? I don't think there's anything that exciting, but like I keep saying, that's the way it is, really. I keep trying to get permission, but it's not working out for me. That's a land permission, basically, to search fields, so to search inland. But anyway, we'll keep persevering. So it's not the end of the world, because I really do love being out on the beach. So yeah, there's the can-do house. Having some work done at the moment. There's one of the boards off the window. It's unfortunate that you can't see inside because there are some beautiful ceilings, original hand-painted ceilings in there. But right, here you go. There's another search on the beach over, and let's let's have a look and see what we got. So I'll start with the rubbish first. This little thing, God only knows, but I don't think it's of any significance to us. A bit of scrap from one of the houses, more than likely. Obviously the houses over the years on the front have been renovated, and it seems like the beach was the dumping ground for the waste. The little piece of chain, again, I don't think there's any... I'm going to hang on to it anyway, just in case somebody says to me, oh, that's a, you know, X, Y, or Z. I'll hang on to it anyway for the moment. A screw. We got a little screw. That can go to the bin. The lead, we got a big hunk of lead pipe. It's a right hefty weight is that piece. All the lead, as you probably know from some of my previous videos, I keep it all, and I sell it to a man that buys it from me. So I make a few pounds, and we get the poisonous lead off the beach, which is always good. Big hefty lump there. Like I say, it's been folded over and just fashioned into a very, very simple fishing weight. That thing, it looks like it's had a use because it's got like a circular section on the top there, you can see. Maybe a cap off something, I don't know. But yeah, again, another hefty lump of lead. Another piece of what must be an offcut of a pipe, I think. But again, yeah, again lead, because I'm not going to try bending that anyway. More lead. I'm not sure if that's lead or a bit of brass or copper. I seem to think it's a bit of brass or copper. I don't know if I showed that in the video, but yeah, so you get an idea of the sort of things that are coming off. So a couple of pieces that I thought were of interest is this one. I can't decide if it has been. It's got a very flat side there. If it has been a musket ball of some description, but I'm not sure. Because there are no holes in it if it was a fishing weight, or sometimes they have like a copper loop that's put into the weight, but you can see where they've rusted away normally, but there's nothing on that, so I don't know. I'll keep that separate. And then this piece looks like initially I thought it might have been a dress weight, but I'm beginning to suspect now it's just a piece of scrap offcut, although it has been cut, as you can see, cut there and cut there. Anyway, there's nothing on it. I know sometimes it looks like there might be something on. No doubt somebody will leave a comment if they think they can see something, but I don't think there's anything whatsoever that I can make out on there. And again, it is lead, but just from the size of it, and the shape initially, I automatically assumed it to be a dress weight. A dress weight would be a piece of a disc of lead that would be sewn into the hem of a dress to keep the dress weighted down so it doesn't blow up in the wind. Yeah, the spoon bowl, which is interesting. That could even be a bit of silver, you know, with it being black like that. I'll have to have a scrape at it with a bit of sandpaper and see what comes up. But I'm almost certain that's been a bowl from a spoon. The handle would have been here, coming out there. So it's the bowl that's snapped off. So yeah, so there's that. The stopper, the worn stopper. These are quite common on the beach. They get washed up every so often. I do collect them. I usually collect the ones that are actually embossed with different company names. I've got quite a large collection of those now. So, but still, they're nice things to find. You know, they're just little pieces of history that just get washed up every now and again on the beach. There's the caster wheel. Again, it would have sat on the foot on the leg of a chair, so you could wheel the chair around. But yeah, a nice little thing to find. Again, ceramic. So, like I say, I like to keep the ceramic pieces. And last but not least, 2 coins. So we've got the big penny there. Sadly, just about make out a Britannia there. I don't know if you can see that. The date would have been at the bottom here, and then Britannia's up there. You can see her arm there and her head and where she sat slightly. And no, okay, probably Queen Victoria, that one. So, oh sorry, not Queen Victoria, Queen Elizabeth II. My mistake, like an idiot. And this other coin, again, I'm going to hazard a guess. It's about half this, well, slightly less. I'm going to hazard a guess that that is a halfpenny. Again, too worn to get anything off it. I might try every so often, just run a bit of light sandpaper over it, and sometimes it brings something out on them. But yes, there you go. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that, and feel free to subscribe. We're getting close to the 3,000 subscriber mark. I think I might do a giveaway if we get to 3,000 subscribers. I'll maybe throw together some of the pieces that I've found on the beach and put together a little package, and I'll make it open to UK and America for the first time. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you've enjoyed it, then leave a comment down below. Something you want to say, then go ahead and say it. And I try to answer every comment that's left on my channel. So, and feel free to share and hit the like, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye for now.